Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Beautiful Blessed Butterfly. And today we are on day 49 of our daily bread. And today's title, we are going to read about Bring Your Boat. The first one will be Proverbs 3:27, which says, do not withhold good from those whom it is due when it is in your power to act. Now let's get into the story. Bring your boats. Hurricane Harvey brought catastrophic flooding to eastern Texas in 2017. The onslaught of rain stranded thousands of people in their homes, unable to escape the floodwater in what was double the Texas Navy. Many private citizens bought boats from other parts of the state and nation to help evacuate stranded people. The action of these violent, generous men and women call to mind the encouragement of Proverbs 3:17. Generous men and women call to mind the encouragement of Proverbs 3:27, which instruct us to help others whenever we are able. They had the power to act on behalf of those in need by bringing their boat, and so they did. They action demolish, demonstrate a willingness to use whatever rescue they had as they dispose disposal for the behalf of others. We may not always feel adequate inadequate for the task at hand. Often we become paralyzed by thinking we don't have the skill, experience, resource, or time to help others. In short instant, we are quick to sideline ourselves, discounting what we do have that might be an assistance to someone else. The Texas Navy couldn't stop the floodwater from rising, not could they? Legislate government aid, but they use what they have within their power. They vote to come alongside the deep need of others. May we all bring our boat, whatever they may be, to take the people in our path to higher ground. Question for today. What has God given you? And where can you use it to help someone else? Our generous God, all that I have is from you. Help me to always use what you have given me to help others. Now, let's go back to Proverbs 3:27. Which says, do not withhold good from those whom it is due, when it is in your power to act. Now, that is it for today. Now, to give you guys first one more time, it says, what has God given you, and where can you use it to help someone else? That's it for today, and remember, who else can you help? No matter what you have to bring to them, there's always a person you can help. Even if you think you can't help somebody, you can help someone. Even if you don't like the person, don't want nothing to do with them, this guy, or that one crazy person, but you will always lend that helping hand. Even if they reject it, that's okay. At least you offer. But other than that, that is it for today. Hope you guys have a nice day today. Make sure don't forget to comment down below, subscribe and like and subscribe. My video can be all over the world, so we can share the gospel with everyone, and we can share love to everyone so they can know how much a person loves them. Even if a person that you want to love don't love you, there's a person out there that loves you. Because God loves you very much. I love you, God loves you. God will never leave you or forsake you. And that's how much He loves you. He loves you that much that He's willing to help you. He's willing to rescue you. He's willing to sacrifice His life for you in order for you to get right and stay on the right path. Don't you want to stay on the right path? Staying on the right path. And don't let the devil get to you. All the devil do is like kill and destroy and lie. They can never be good, and they never will be good. And devils can't change. They are who they are. But us, we have chances. We have chances to change. So, are we changing? Yeah, you are. You guys are actually changing. Because you guys reading your word, going to Bible study, even if you watch it online, going online church, you're still doing something, and you're still actually trying your best. And it's showing God you actually trying your best. You don't need friends to help you get there. You're doing this for yourself. You're not doing this for your mama. You ain't doing this for your daddy. You ain't doing it for your sibling, for your cousin, for your friend. You're doing this all for you. And that's how I see it. I'm doing things for myself. I ain't doing anything to please my mom. I ain't doing anything to please my dad. I ain't doing anything to please my siblings or cousins, whoever they are. But I'm doing things to please myself and to get where I need to go. And if I choose they not, it's they not meant to be with me because they take me down a path that I don't want to be, then I'm going to be that type of person that want to stay away and push that person away. Because you're going to push the one person away that's willing to help you, and that's how I see it. But I will push folks away, and I'm still pushing people away, and I'm willing to push more people out of my life if I had to, if they try to stop me. There ain't nobody big enough to stop me but God. So, ain't nobody in this world fears me. I don't have fear of anybody in this world except for God. So, I'm going to keep on doing what I've been doing. There ain't nobody in this world scare me, and I ain't going to have fear in my heart because of that person. And I'm going to stand up for myself, care less where I might be at. I'm going to say what I got to say. I don't care if it's in public. I don't care if it's in a church. I'm going to do to be me and do what I want to do and say what I want to say and continue my life how I want to live it. But my children, I want my kids, I don't want my children in your life, then yeah, my children will not be in your life because they are my kids. I'm not going to choose who will be in their life while they are still kids. And that's how I see it. But that's how I see it, and you can't help everybody. Not everybody will want to help. But you gotta remember too, when we have hurricanes, people give you got warning and warning to evacuate, do not stay. What do people do? They take that chance and they stay where they at and say, no, this is not gonna happen. Nah, that never happened for I stayed here for a long time. Hurricanes keep happening. Hurricane been passed. Nothing happened. What happened? Hurricane Friday came. You missed your moment and you stopped. You decided to listen to the devil without actually evacuating and putting your own family and children in danger. They say evacuate, that means evacuate. Ain't no one chance, ain't no two chance. Evacuate what I tell you to evacuate too. Always take that chance. If you got a family, you save your children. You got children, you got no choice to go. If it's just you choose to stay, that's when you just you. So you have a chance. But me, I have no fear in anybody in this world. Nobody in this world scared me. The only person that you can have fear in is God. Devil ain't nothing to fear. Ain't worth it. Ain't worth nothing. You have a chance in your life to be something, and that's what you gotta do. And that's how I'm gonna keep saying it. Now I can care less if somebody taking this person and they think you gotta get along with somebody. My answer, no. You choose who you want in your life, and you choose who you don't want in your life. And that's how I put it for me. For everybody else, it may be different. But back when I was talking about a different situation with different needs, always evacuate. When I say evacuate, hurricanes is not even to play with. And when we had that hurricane last time, I forgot what year it was. I forgot if it's in Virginia, and that was a lot of hurricanes, like 4, 5, 6 hurricanes, or in different areas. And that other hurricane, it never came down. It made a fumble in the sky because you could see it, a funnel. That lets you know a hurricane getting ready to come, getting ready to drop. It stood right there by the school. It was over the school, but it never came down. That lets you know that was nothing but God saving our lives, because I was home. It was over the school. The school was not far from home, depending on which way the hurricane was going to go. But it never came down. After that, it left. The hurricane was gone. So you just gotta pray. They tell you to do something, do it. Be like other people just want to stay upstairs and don't even think about the window, think about the situation. Take action fast because it only takes quick of a second and something will happen. And we have right in our life for us to be or be something. And you're going to be something. And we can't save everybody, that's okay. We're not meant to save everybody. And not everybody want to be saved. And not everybody going through change. But if you're willing to help somebody, and they willing for you, and they are willing and to let you help them and help that person. Yeah, just like homeless people, you gotta be careful who give it to you. Not everybody's homeless. Some of them are just lying. Some of them get out the car, the person will leave. Then that person end up coming back. Those people are not homeless. You see them, then they come out with sneakers. Person not going, do not know how to be a different type of person. You can follow that person and they come back out of a house. How are you homeless and you in a neighborhood with all these houses begging for money? You can follow that person and that person lives in a house. You can follow that person lives in an apartment and saying they're homeless. Be careful who you give your money to, because somebody's out there to rob you. I'm out there and just willing to just take the money. But that's why be still and know that I am God. So 46:16, meaning be still and let God take care of everything, because God is willing to fight for us. So draw near to God and He will draw near to you until you. So and that's in James 4:8. And each Bible scripture, it could be a little different, morally different, depending on where you're reading it from and when you want to read it from. But other than that, that's what it's from. But other than that, that's what I gotta say. Hope you guys have a good day. Enjoy the rest of the day. Love you guys. God love you. Keep having faith. Hold your head up. Keep on leaning on God. Keep on having hope. Cherish every moment you have. And always be yourself. Don't never let anyone, I don't care who they are, don't let anyone in this world tell you that you can't be anything. Don't let anybody, don't even your pastor, not even your mother, not even your father. Pastors sometimes they could hurt your feelings, depending on who they are, what the situation is. But don't let anybody tell you that you can't be somebody, because you are somebody. God made you as somebody, so you are somebody. Be somebody. Be who God called you to be. Be who you are and be who you want to be. Only you know who you are. That's between you and God. So you go for what you want to do. You go for what you believe in. You do you. You raise your child how you want to raise your child. But nobody knows what you're going through. Nobody knows the struggle you're going through. No one knows the pain. But you do you. Don't even let your parents try to raise your kids. You raise your kids how you want to raise your kids. No, I'm raising my child this way. This is my rule. This is what my child is going to do. person that need help raising a child or don't know how to raise a child, doing things you have no business doing, then yeah, that person have a right to tell you if you're doing something wrong or something legal you shouldn't be doing for your child or trying to harm yourself. But other than that, he who God wants you to be, raise that child up as he should be. Train up the child in the way it should go, and that child will never depart. But that's all I wanted to say. God bless you. Stay focused. Stay courage. Have faith. Have hope. And I will see you guys later on. Just comment down below. Like, share, subscribe. So I can share the gospel of the word with everyone. And share the love with everybody so everybody knows that God loves them. That there are people out here, including God, love them very, very much. So that's what I wanted to say. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you guys later. See you later. Bye.